everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Yurani and today we will be reacting to TXT. We will be continuing our journey with them, but now we will start from the beginning. We will go back all the way to their debut song, and that is where we will start. But before that, I'm gonna give you your song recommendation. Today's song recommendation is Beware by Big Sean, Lil Wayne, and Jhené Aiko. Pretty sure that's how you pronounce your name. So sure. But yeah, that song is so good. It's such a beautiful song. I'm pretty sure most of you have heard of it, but if you haven't, you should really check it out. But with that being said, let's move on to the video. We'll be watching TXT's Crown and also TXT's Cat and Dog official MVs. I really wanted to do their choreography versions, but I don't think Cat and Dog has a choreography. But yeah, that is what we will be watching today. Let's go! I'm so sorry if you can hear barking in the background. There's a lot of dogs around here.
One eternity later.
They look so much younger. What? Compared to from their Sugar Rush Ride videos and other ones I've seen, they look so young here. Oh my god. Captions. Wow, I am so sorry. That is wait a second. That was so good. I swear to you, I started getting chills. Wow. I'm so sorry, but also this MV is so beautiful. Like it's beautiful in the way that, like, okay, maybe not beautiful in that way, but I think it's like so cool just how they add the animations, and it looks so good, and it's very vibrant also, which I love. But yeah, let's continue. Yeah, the animations, especially these, I love. Aww. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, that is so cute, cool, all of the above. Wow, I got a lot from that MV actually. A lot of, I don't know, theories, I guess. But I did understand that, I think I understand that the message of the song is, you know, that even though I'm different, I like it, and that's just how it is. Like now, because especially in the lyrics, that now that has become my crown, when they said about the horn, I'm pretty sure that that's like, now that's my strength, you know. But I really love that. I love the message of it, and it's so bright, and it's the song just sounds so happy. It's really nice. But now we will be moving on. Also, oh my god, I have to mention, the choreography looks so good. I think I'm definitely gonna react to all their choreography versions in a separate video. But yeah, let's move on to TXT's Cat and Dog official MV. Oh wow. So they debuted like 4 years ago, right? Wow. Wow. 2019. Oh my god. See, everything is so bright.
Feel like I'm a cat on the dog. 두눈에 너밖에 안 보여. 우리 사이는 연안이며 나는 너만 있으면 I wanna be a friend.
Ooh. Ooh, what? I love it already. Wow. Oh, that's so cute though. Oh, that's beautiful. The song and the MV. Wow. Wow, the choreography too. Oh. Oh, I love this part. Wow, that is so good. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's not over. Oh, oh, what? Wow, that's so good. Oh my god. Wow, wait a minute. No, because all their songs that I've heard are so good, but in different ways, you know? It's like, whoa. This one, I love it. And the message is so cute, you know? But wow, the song, the vibe of the song, I love it. I think I'm in love with this one a lot. But yeah, that is definitely gonna be on repeat too. That is it for this video. Let me know what you thought, anything else you'd like me to see, and leave a like, comment, subscribe. It helps. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.